Hello guys, today we are going to analyze the gold market for entire this week, and as always I just want to give you some opinions and ideas for trades. But before that I want to say that you don't need to always sit behind the charts and see what's happening. For example, after my last trade I didn't look at the market at all. You guys need to spend your time with your families, friends too. First of all, let me tell you the short trade that I took in the last week, and after that I just back into the daily time frame to analyze the gold market for you guys. And let me just show you with this tool here. I just open my short position here. I set my stop loss here exactly in this level of price, and I also set my target here. So I guess I was in a trade for 2 hours, 3 hours. And right now let me explain the reason why I just set my TP here. The reason is we just had the demon zone here, as you guys can see. This is the demon zone for me, and we also had these gaps here. So I said that maybe if price go down from this level of price, price will fill this gap, and after that maybe we see that price respect into this demon zone here. And let me just tell you why price start to go down from this level of price rapidly. And the reason is we just had the news here, as you guys can see, consumer sentiment index. This is the reason. And let me just delete the things. As you guys can see, we just had this equal low liquidity, and again this equal low liquidity here. And as you guys can see, we just had this demon zone in the 15-minute time frame that price just respect into this demon zone for 2 times and also create the equal low liquidity. So I said to myself that for the third time this demon zone won't work, because we have the equal low liquidity here, and we also have the equal low liquidity bottom of this demon zone. And I said to myself, and let me explain you why I just set my stop loss into this level of price, because I said maybe price go up to sweep these equal high liquidities, and after that price started going down, and maybe price could take my, for example, a stop loss if I just wanted to set my TP here, set my stop loss here, sorry. So this was the reason that how I just took my short trade, and this kind of stuff. So right now let's go in a daily time frame. As you guys can see, price is really close to the last high, and we have two concepts here. Maybe we can see that price will go up to break this high and also sweep this equal high liquidity, and after that we just need to be patient to see the new high created, and after that we can see that price will come down to create the substructure. Or we also can see that price go up only with a shadow to see this equal high liquidity and this swing high liquidity to take some orders here, and after that price go down into this demon zone, as I told you in my previous video. So right now let's go, so if we break this high here, we have the break of a structure, and again, and right now if we break this high, we confirm that we are in an uptrend in the daily time frame. So let's go in the forward time frame. As you guys can see, right now we are in an uptrend in the forward time frame, because we did change of character here, and we are starting to breaking the structure from this level of price here, and again if we break this high, we confirm that we are in an uptrend. So right now, as you guys can see, we have this trend line structural liquidity in the 4-hour time frame. We also have this gap here, so you guys need to be careful about the things. And let me tell you that in this week maybe we will see that price will go up. We break this high here, and if we see that price respecting this supply zone, we can go for a short trade, and the new low of price can be here. So we can be this range of price here, or we also can see that price will come down to see this trend line structural liquidity and also fill the gap. And if we would lucky, we see that price also tap into this demon zone, and if we see an entry point, we can go for a long trade. Or again, maybe we can see that prices start going down to sweep the liquidity, fill the gap, tap into this demand zone, and if we would lucky, we can go for a long trade, and we set our first target here and the second target into this supply zone. Right now, let's go into 1 hour time frame. As you guys can see, we have really, huge liquidity here. We have the equal low liquidity here. We also have the equal low liquidity here, and price just wants respect into this demand zone. Actually, price just tap into this demand zone for 2 times, and for the third time I don't think that's price respect into this demand zone here. So price will continue to go down to sweep these liquidities, also fill the gap here, and until we see that price just tap into this demand zone here. And if we see any entry point here, we can go for a long trade. We also have this doji candle that we can say that this one can be another demand zone for us. So maybe we'll see that price just tap into this one or this one, and if we see any entry point from one of these demand zones, we can go for a uptrend. Let me just remove the things, and let me explain you the important part here right now. As you guys can see, we have this huge supply zone here. Price just tap into this supply zone for 3 times, as you guys can see. So we also have this equal high liquidity here. So if price go up, probably we will see that price sweep this one, and price reject this supply zone. So price will continue to go up into this support and resistance level, or you can also say that's supply zone here. And let me just show you the price, and from here price can start to go down. And for example, if we break the high here, we break the structure again, so we confirm still we are in uptrend. So the new low for us become this low, so we would be between this range of price in the 1 hour time frame. I think these things maybe happen, or maybe we will see that price again respecting to this supply zone too. So you just need to keep this idea in your minds, and it's depend on you guys how you open your short or long trades. I will also upload some new videos for you guys in this week, and maybe I also analyze the NZD for you guys too. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and just share it with your friends.